Rancho Middle School has an average of 29 and 1/4 students per teacher. Write this mixed number as a decimal. So I have 29 and 1/4. And I happen to know what 1/4 is as a decimal, but I'm going to go ahead and do this work anyways. The whole number I'm going to leave alone, but 1/4 I'm going to turn into a decimal. And I could go two ways. One way is that I could think about equivalent fractions. What decimal or what place value could I make 4 become? And I could make that 100 if I multiply top and bottom by 25. So this would be 29.25. Another way I could do this is by dividing. 1 would go in the division house, 4 would go on the outside. 4 doesn't go into 1, so I'd add a decimal and a 0. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, I get a 2. Add a 0 to bring down. 2 goes into 20, or 4 goes into 25 times, and that is exact. Adding my whole number back to the front, I would have again 29.25.